Hey everyone, Davey here again with Fragrance Bros, here with another quick unboxing, this time on Flowerbomb by Viktor and Rolf. I really like this fragrance. Of course, knife of the day is my Viper Odino. Love this knife. Let's go ahead and open it here. Alright, now first thing you notice is this amazing box design. Really cool design. Has kind of a fake wax seal on the front with Viktor and Rolf's logo, and it's got kind of like this, it's almost like ribbon on the outside, which is really neat. Viktor and Rolf, they really nail presentation. Flowerbomb, obviously one of their more popular fragrances, so let's go ahead and open it. Beautiful, beautiful bottle. Classic design, very feminine, I think. Just a beautiful little bottle. Love the little wax right there. This is their 30 ml bottle. Has a little, it's kind of light, but I don't think it's plastic. I think it's probably aluminum. So nice. Anyway, so that is that. Just a quick unboxing of Flowerbomb. Looking forward to that one. I'm going to do a full review of this with my wife, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thanks again for watching. Bye.